How to install Google Play Store on PC or laptop so you can download and run Android apps without an emulator? Most people still don't know this method exists. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll be installing Play Store apps directly on your desktop completely free. Start by opening your browser. Search for Windows Subsystem for Android with Google Apps on GitHub. Look for the stable x64 version that clearly includes Google Play services. If you grab a version without Google Apps, there'll be no Play Store. Go to your Windows search bar and type Turn Windows Features On or Off, scroll down and check Virtual Machine Platform. Then click OK. You must restart your computer now, otherwise, nothing will work later. Find the downloaded file. Use a free tool like 7-Zip to extract everything to a permanent folder on your PC. Don't just double-click. The archive you need to extract fully. Inside the extracted folder, locate the file named run or run.bat. Right-click it and choose Run as administrator. Let the installation complete fully. Don't close the window, even if it seems slow. Once the Android Subsystem window opens, go to Advanced Settings and toggle Developer Mode to On. This step is what allows the Play Store to work correctly. Search for Play Store in your Windows taskbar. Open it, sign in with your Google account, and you're ready. Now you can download and install any Android app directly on your PC or laptop. That's it, Play Store on your PC. No phone required. If this guide worked for you, hit subscribe. In my next video, I'll show you the top 5 Android apps that run flawlessly on Windows.